Hey, this is Andy Brown, and we're taking a look at HNSW. And the reason why is because when I was working with vector databases, this initialism kept coming up over and over again. So I figured it was worth our time to just quickly understand what it is. So HNSW stands for Hierarchical Navigable Small World, and it's a graph-based algorithm that performs ANN searches in vector databases. So we know that a vector store, vector database, is very important for utilizing in RAGs, because that's what RAGs primarily use. And so there are different algorithms to which we can search. And one kind are graph-based algorithms, and the most popular that I keep saying is HNSW. So how does it work? Well, it combines two things. It combines something called skip linked lists, and the other one is the navigable small worlds. So when we're talking about navigable small worlds, I'm gonna get my pen tool out here. Imagine you have a node that represents a vector. Basically, it's some data that's been embedded. And if you wanted to compare uh, other nodes against other nodes for similarity, right? So let's say we're starting here. We're going to create a graph of similar nodes, right? Because that way, if we are searching our database, instead of looking through every single node, what we can do is we can just find one that's similar. And if we don't like it, move to the next closest one to the next closest one until we find something that is our best match. Now, if we just had an NSW, which is something we could have, just a big graph, that is definitely more efficient than individually searching every single node. But the idea is that by being able to connect graphs with other graphs, right, and taking one node from another one, we just end up with a much more efficient algorithm. That's how we get the HNSW. So that was a very mangled description of HNSW. But just understand that HNSW is an efficient algorithm for creating a vector database. You're going to see it again and again. So I just wanted to try to best describe that quickly, okay?